Equity investments and real estate are two very different form of investment options. Which is a better option to invest and which gives more returns in the future? It is a pleasure to welcome our industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi to answer this question.
I have recently shifted to Mumbai. I'll give you my example. So, the flat in which I was staying is about 3 crore of rupees. The rent which I am paying is about 50,000 rupees. So now just calculate the yield on this property. So the owner is getting 5,000 into 12, which is about 6 lakh of rupees over 3 crores. So he is not even getting a return which is the saving bank account interest return as well. So that is one aspect to it. Then probably you can say that capital appreciation is also important. So why are you looking only at the rental yield? There could be some capital appreciation also. So we can do a long, about say 20-30 year capital appreciation also. But what happens is we never calculate the return of the asset. Say for example, if we have purchased an asset for 10 lakh of rupees. Now today the worth is 2 crores. We will not calculate the return, but we will say that 10 lakh rupee have become 2 crore rupee. But have we ever tried to calculate the return on that particular asset? Never. But in case of mutual fund, these returns are always available. So when you are able to compare it, yes, there could be few stray cases where property would have given you a better return. But in most of the cases over a long period of time, equities also generate similar kind of return, and it is much more easier to liquidate the property. Say for example, now if you want to sell the property, you cannot sell a property partly, you have to sell the property entirely. Then there could be challenge in selling. So when you are buying, there is a price escalation. When you are selling, you have to decrease the price from the market, and then you will be able to execute. And execution also at times take about say 3 to 6 months to about say an year or so also. But in case of mutual fund, the flexibility is amazing. You do a redemption today, in 2 days the money is credited in your bank account. That's the kind of flexibility, that's the kind of transparency with which the mutual funds work.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.